right, everyone, John Savarino here, and this is Talking Money. Today, I wanted to shoot a quick video and talk about what is called a dead cat bounce. And I don't mean that literally, I mean that figuratively, but the definition of a dead cat bounce is a short-lived recovery of asset prices or our investments after a continued downturn, right, or a bear market. That's then led into a continued downturn after that recovery. So things go down, asset prices go down, we get a small blip over a few months, and then things continue downward almost past our low that we were at previously. And why do I bring up a dead cat bounce today in this video? Well, let me give you some perspective, right? Because you don't usually know when a dead cat bounce happens until after the fact, right? The last 45 days have been really great in the stock market, so we really won't know if this is a dead cat bounce until a few months later. So I'm not claiming that to be the case. I just want to educate viewers on this topic, because if you think back to end of November, beginning of December, we now know that was the beginning of our bear market. And if you panicked, for example, in that 9-month period from November to say beginning of July of this year, and then when things started to go back up, you said, you know what, it looks a lot better, so I'm going to get back in, or I'm going to reinvest my dollars. They call a dead cat bounce a sucker's rally, okay? I would be definitely checking how much risk am I taking. That way I'm not panicking. That way I'm not losing sleep at night. That way I'm not susceptible to these sucker rallies. Because at the end of the day, you might have realized a loss a few months ago when you got out of the market because it was just too much to swallow. The losses were too big to swallow. And then now, as the market was going up, you're buying back in at a higher point. You've effectively realized those losses by doing so. So just be aware that every dead cat bounces once. A lot of my clients have heard me say that before. And once again, full disclosure, I'm not claiming that this is a dead cat bounce right now, but I would definitely be slightly skeptical on how long this rally continues, because by definition, we are still in a bear market. So just know what a dead cat bounce is, understand how much risk you're taking in your portfolios, and as always, hit that like button, comment. Any feedback's greatly appreciated. Subscribe, hit that notification button, and as always, we'll talk money soon.